Hello, Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Let me address Soludo. Professor Soludo, the current governor of Anambra State. Anambra people and Igbo in general love you so much, we respect you. But your recent utterances is uncalled for. Anambra State was very peaceful. The UGM, or non-government, knew Anambra State. They know that Anambra State exists. They are not carrying the activities in Anambra State. But you started talking tough against UGM Anambra people. Now, you have seen what he has caused us. Many places in Anambra now is on fire. Soludo, you are destroying Anambra State. Soludo, slow down. Slow down with your utterances. What surprises me and annoys me the most is that whenever a piece of cake is being given to an Igbo people, they will try to destroy themselves and talk tough against themselves, all in order to please the Fulanis because of ordinary governorship position.